Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we upload the file uh, in for the API, okay, using REST assured library. Okay, so as you know, like some APIs that require to upload the files, okay, and how we do that in the REST assured. So here you can see we have again like one simple example I am getting from the pet store Swagger APIs, where we have one API post, okay, where we can upload the images. Now I am going to use this API to show you how we upload the images using the REST assured. Okay, so there are some parameters here we need to pass, like first pets ID here we need to pass. Second, there is some additional metadata we can pass, okay, and then one is the file. So pet ID is required, other is optional. Okay, so I can just here click try it out so that we can get the request. Okay, here we can pass the pet ID. So how we get the pet ID? So let me first add one pet so that we can get the ID, and those ID I will add here. Okay, so as we discussed in the previous session, we have post. Okay, this will, when I submit this, then this will send the request like to create the pets in the database. So like I click on the execute button here, we will get the response, right? So means this post will send the data to the server, API server, where it will create one uh, pets detail. Okay, these details will be created and we are getting the ID in response, and you can see this is the response, so this is the ID we can capture. Okay, so now we have ID of the pets. Now I am going to upload the images for this pet ID. Okay, so I can pass here the pet ID. Let me capture the ID again. Post. So this is the ID. Copy this and return back to the this pet upload image. I'm going to pass the ID here. So this is the pet ID. Next, we can pass here some additional parameters. So like suppose that I am going to pass test1, and next this is the choose file. So if I click on this, then this will rewrite on the, we can navigate the folder. Okay. Now I am going to use one image, open. Okay, download image. Click on the execute. This will send the image and we will get the response. We are getting 200, this response. Okay, so now this API I am going to use in the REST assured. I will show you how we upload the file using the uh, REST assured library. Okay, so this is my Java project, and I'm going to create one Java file here, like upload image API. Click on finish. Okay, let going to add one test test. Upload image test. Okay, so let me import the testng class. Okay, and as we discussed, so first of all we need to use the REST assured class. Okay, then call the URL, base URL. Okay, here I will pass the base URI path of the pets. Now second, we can also import the static way. Okay, given REST dot REST dot given. Okay, so now I can start from here. First, given dot. Okay, so if we are going to use the, like to upload the file, okay, so we required multi-part. Okay, there is a multi-part where we can pass the file object. So first of all, I need to give here multi-part as a variable, and our variable is this file. Okay, then here I will pass the file object. Okay, and pass the file. So currently our file is under the C location, so I can pass here C double slash download.png. Going to import the file. Okay, so this we need to pass given multi-part file, new file, okay, object, and pass the file name, and next we can pass the content type. So here if I go, we are using file equal to file path, okay, type equal to image png. So we can use this as a second argument, this one. Okay, then I am going to call when, then we can call the post. Okay, and in post we will pass the URL. Which URL? This one. Okay, and the base URL I will pass this one. Here. Okay, so we can also use the header. Okay, so header is basically, this is the content type. Okay, I can pass this header here, and then next is the multi-part form data. This value I can pass. Okay, so these are the additional form parameters, so we can also use this to pass a form parameter param object. This is the key and value we can pass, like test something. Then okay, so these detail I have passed here. Now what we have passed of header. Okay, header I am passing here the content type. Okay, in header part, content type, multi-part form data. Next we need to pass the form parameters. So this is the additional one metadata key. So this is the here. Okay, and then passing the value, dummy value, like test. Then file, to upload the file we are going to use the multi-part function. Okay, where we will pass the file key and then file name. Okay, and image, these are the file type, and then I will call the when and then post method. Okay, and now this will give us the response. This will return as the response object. Now let me print here the response dot status code. Okay, as well as the response dot JSON body. Okay, so this will give us the output. You will see here, this will print the output, and we can add the assertions as we like for the status code, for the response detail also we can use that. So now you can see here 200, this is status code, and this is the JSON response we are getting. Okay, so it means our API is working. Now if we require to automate the API using the REST assured, where we have some file upload functionality, so we can use multi-part, okay, method. Thanks for watching the video.